pa nagtatapos ang kasiyahan dito because today is not only special because of the Atinto Chicken McDo and SB19 fan meet, but we are also celebrating someone's birthday.
Happy birthday.
So we would like to call on stage the McDonald's Philippines brand representatives for a photo with SB19. And of course, let us all greet our Pinuno, Pablo, a very happy birthday!
Hello po!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
All right, happy birthday, Pablo!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Yes! Bago ang lahat, of course, let us have we will ask for your message. Would you like to say anything?
First of all, gusto ko pasalamat kay Lord for the wonderful 20 years of my life.
Wow!
Yes, thank God.
Wow.
Ayun po, syempre maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa SB19. Alam niyo naman po na kung araw-araw namin kayo mapapasalamatan, gagawin po namin yun kasi binago niyo po yung buhay namin and nandito kami ngayon kundi dahil sa inyo. And syempre maraming salamat din po sa McDonald's family for the wonderful cake, syempre, and sa suporta na binigay niyo at tiwala niyo sa SB19. Ano pa ba? Salamat din po sa lahat ng team po ng SB19, syempre sa members and kay Miss Krings. Thank you so much.
Siyempre, i-blow mo naman yung cake and make a wish, Pablo. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's have...
Yo.
All right. Let's have photo op with a brand. Let's have photo op with a brand, of course. Thank you so much to the brand representatives of McDonald's Philippines. Oh, one more. Alright, marami pong salamat. Thank you so much, McDonald's Philippines. And of course, for all of our SB19 here, do you have any final message for the 18 who are here today? Anything that you would like to say to your fans?
Yes, maraming salamat guys for yung enjoying your time, spending your time with us, with McDo. Sana enjoy nyo pa in the rest of the day. Punta sa mga booth, enjoy yung mga puro wall dyan. Maraming salamat sa inyo. And of course, syempre, sa walang sawang suporta at ayun, sana mag-iingat kayo parate at sana alam nyo na mahal namin kayo. Maraming salamat guys.
Again, thank you so much, McDonald's family, 18 of course, Miss Kring, maraming salamat po. Please enjoy the rest of the day, and again, thank you so much. Ingat po kayo. Thank you. We love you.
Happy birthday, Pablo!
Yes! Thank you so much, SB19!